Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to power button on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on gestures. After click on gestures, scroll down and click on press and hold power button. If you want to unlink Google Assistant power button, so click on power menu and you will see. If you want to link Google Assistant, so click on digital assistant. After click on digital assistant, you will see just click and hold side power button. Digital assistant is open. So after the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.